4, 3, 2, 1, go. 4 right. 80, 3 right long. 3 right long, tightens. 3 right long, tightens. 80, 2 left, bumpy. 2 left, bumpy. 40, 3 left. 3 left, 65 right. 3 left, 65 right. Past the wall, 60. Middle small crest, jumps, 2 right, 5 left, tightens. 2 right, 5 left, tightens. And the 5 right. 5 left and the 5 right. 5 right. 1 left, 3 left. 3 left. 200, very bumpy. 1 right opens. 150, turn square right, don't cut. Square right, don't cut. Square right. 60, 1 right long. 60, 1 right. 230, 1 left, don't cut it. 1 left, don't cut. 200, right into chicane. Watch the chicane. Right into chicane. And a hairpin left. Right into chicane. Hairpin left, hairpin left. Hairpin left. And 1 left. 150, 2 left. 130, 4 left, tightens. 4 left, tightens, 60, turn square right. 4 left, 60, turn square right, don't cut it. Turn square right, don't cut it. 100, 6 right opens. 6 right opens and the 1 left. 1 left, 100. 6 left and 2 right. 6 left and 2 right, rough on the inside. 40, 3 left, don't cut. 3 left, don't cut. 100, 2 right long, don't cut. 2 right long, don't cut. 150 past the junction, 4 right long. 4 right long here. 60, 1 right. 200, up to 5 right. 5 right there, Rodney. 130, crest and a 2 right. 2 right on the crest, 2 right on the crest. That's it. 80, up the middle. Right crest, bump, dip. 6 left, shiny. Watch that. 6 left, 6 left. Slow, slow, slow. 6 left and a 2 left over crest. 40 over jump. Small crest, jump. 200 middle gravel, stay jump. Sudden chicane. Chicane up here. Left entry. Sudden chicane. You see it? Chicane left entry. Come out here, come out here. 200 bumpy. Small crest, stay middle. This is very bad now. 40. Crest bump middle bad. And there's a jump into a sudden 3 right. Turn square left. On right. 3 right. Square left, square left. 3 right to square left. Square left. Square left. Square left. 130. Crest middle, 1 right. 150, 3 left. 3 left. 3 left there. 150, 5 left, right, 2 left. 5 left, right, and a 2 left, and a caution, 6 right. Tightens long. 6 right, tightens long. 150, 2 right. 2 right. 40, 3 left long. 3 left long, Rodney, and 60, a 4 right. 4 right after, 4 right. 4 right there. 1 right, turn hairpin left. 1 right, turn hairpin left. Hairpin left, break it early. .550, right into chicane. Right into chicane. That's it. Keep left, crest, stay mid. There's a jump dip up here, and there's a chicane right after it. Slacken her on the jump. Right entry chicane. Slacken her. Right entry chicane. Right entry chicane. Crest, stay mid. 150 crest, jump mid. And one right, don't cut, past the junction. 350 crest, jump one left. Another right entry chicane up here. One left. Right entry chicane. Right entry chicane, take it out here. Left. Right entry chicane. .200 after it. Double caution jump. Double jump dip. Watch this big jump. Take it handy on this jump. A double jump. 130 past the lane crest, jump mid. 200, one left. Right entry chicane. Right entry chicane, one left before you go into it. Right entry chicane. On the crest, on the crest. You hear me? Turn square right, turn square right, turn square right, square right, square right. 60. 5 left. 5 left and a 5 right. Rough and inside. 2 left long. 2 left long and a 5 right. 5 right. 43 right. 63 left. 80. 2 right dip. 3 left here and a 2 right dip. Easy, Rodney. 300 down the middle. 3 right past the junction. 3 right here. Watch the jump. Double caution. 6 right deceptive. Come out here. Whoa. Easy, Rodney. 6 right deceptive. 6 right deceptive. 6 right here. Whoa. 6 right deceptive. 200. 1 right long. 1 right long. 100. Turn hairpin left. 1 right long and up into hairpin left. Don't cut it. Hairpin left. Hairpin left. 60. Square right, don't cut. Square right, don't cut it. 40. 2 right past the farm and 6 left over crest, don't cut it. 4 right long, turn square left. 4 right long, turn square left. Square left. 130. 4 left and a 2 right and a 3 right.
Watch for the outline.
Huh?
Watch for the outline.
4 left, 2 right, 3 right. 350. Caution, 3 left. Watch her, Rodney. Caution, 3 left, narrow bridge. 4 right, tightens, 4 right, tightens. 3 left, 4 right, tightens, narrow bridge. 350, turn square right, don't cut it. Turn square right up here, don't cut it. Square right, don't cut. Square right, don't cut. Good man. 150. Bumped up 3 right. Bumped up 3 right. 60. Turn square right. Shiny tire. 60. Turn square right. Watch her. Watch her. Shiny tire. Shiny tire. Square left. 80. 5 right. Tightens long. 5 right. Tightens long. 40. 1 left. 6 left. Tightens. 6 left. Tightens on the 4 right. 6 left. Tightens on the 4 right. Up here, square left, don't cut. Settle ahead a wee bit, Rodney. Settle ahead. Square left, man. 80. 2 right. 2 right, 40. 3 left, don't cut. 6 right. 3 left, 6 right. 1 left, and 6 right. 40, 6 left long. 3 right long, tightens. 40, 1 right. 6 left long. Tightens. Caution, 4 left, deceptive. 3 right long, 40, 1 right, 4 left, deceptive. And a 1 right, 4 left here. Tightens. And a 1 right, 3 right long. 3 right long. Tightens, tightens, tightens. 300, 2 left. 2 left, very bumpy, very bumpy. 1 left, over the bridge, and you 150, 4 right long, over finish. 4 right long, over finish. Easy, 4 right long, over finish. Tightens here. That's you, that's you, that's you.
Finish.
That's it done.
Finish.
Alright, go, keep her going, keep her going, keep her going. One left at the bridge. That's you, that's you, that's you, that's you. Four left. Look at it. One left at the bridge, four right long here. Four right long over finish. Keep it on her, keep it on her. That's you.